Congratulations, you have signed up to get more information about our beta tester program here at autobuilder.ws. We're sending this email out worldwide, so thousands of people are seeing this same message worldwide about this amazing income potential that you're seeing right here. I mean, checks have been mailed out to several people that have been using our Auto Builder software and tool. And so all we do is we plug you into our system. You go in, you sign up for an account through autobuilder.ws, and you'll be able to find out more about the Global Domains International business opportunity. Once you get that information and you sign up for an account, we just simply start sending more members to all the members that have signed up at autobuilder.ws. When you sign up for an account through autobuilder.ws, you're going to be put into our team rotator, and that also gives you access to our Auto MLM Builder group beta, where you're able to get more information about what's going on and exclusive updates. You'll be able to get copy and paste ads that you can paste out there for different groups that you might be a part of on social media, and that's it. It's real simple and real easy to follow. You don't use your link in there, but we have more information about that later. Let's go ahead and give you a testimonial about Global Domains International.
Hi guys, I'm Lexi, and I know this page seems crazy, but from $10 to $1,500 a month and growing, it's incredible. I'm super grateful to be part of this team, and you should go for it. It's 10 bucks. What do you have to lose?
Within hours of you joining, I will start sending traffic to your site. A site just like this one. People are going to get the same follow-up sequences. It's real simple. All you do is go ahead and sign up for an account. I start sending you traffic. It's real easy. You do nothing. I pay for the traffic to be there. So all you do is sign up for an account. I start marketing this opportunity for you, and that's it. Sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. Now, if you choose to start promoting it and getting your own team members in GDI, you can absolutely do that, because those members that sign up through you will also get the same benefit. They will automatically be added into our system to make sure that they are getting traffic. So if you personally sponsor anybody into GDI, not a problem. Just show them this video as well, because they too will get the same traffic for their downline as well. I do all the work and make it simple. Here I'm going to give you a few examples of what you could potentially be making with Global Domains International. GDI will pay you $1 per month per customer per layer. So let's say you have 5 people on each layer who all got 5 people on each of their layers. You could potentially be making $3,905. But that's not my goal for you, because you can do that at a 9 to 5. My goal for you is to make somewhere around $9,000 a month. So what my goal is to help you get 6 people and help each of those people get 6 on 5 levels. That's potentially earning you $9,330 per month using Auto Builder as a tool that will automatically assign a sponsor to the person who used the link at autobuilder.ws. Now it gets better. Okay, this tool doesn't stop there. Okay, when anybody goes to our website, to autobuilder.ws, they're going to see this. They're going to be able to select whatever language they speak. Now, it might automatically populate for them in their native tongue. But if they don't, and they want to change the language, it tells them right here in the top right that they can change the language. And they're able to go ahead and select their native tongue. They speak Japanese, boom, it's in Japanese. They speak Chinese, Chinese. They Mandarin, Mandarin. I mean, any language. Bulgarian, French, even Spanish. I mean, it's all in here, you know. It's all in here. So that this way they can go ahead and understand exactly what they're reading, and we can convert this traffic for you into potential signups. But we didn't stop there. That's right. We put the Auto MLM Builder bot right here on the Auto Builder website, autobuilder.ws, so that whenever anybody comes to our website, we're able to greet them in real time. So that if they have Facebook, they're able to automatically go in and start talking to us. And it's that simple. It'll automatically open up Facebook for them, their Facebook Messenger, and allow them to have a conversation with us in real time. Listen, I know you're tired of the grind. That's why we built this thing, so that those of you who are not strong marketers, we can help you finally start to make some money online. All you have to do is sign up for a Global Domains International account through autobuilder.ws. Take the 7-day free trial. And if you decide to stay a member of Global Domains International, just pay $10 a month. We're going to send all your free traffic through autobuilder.ws, through our downline builder. And you're going to get that free. You don't pay anything additional for that. That's a free service that we give to you, our members, when you sign up through one of our affiliates. That's how we keep the team strong. We help the team stay in it to win it. We want every single one of our members to be successful in GDI, Global Domains International. And we do this by helping you to focus on the goals and not the obstacle. The next step is super simple. All you got to do is go to the website at autobuilder.ws and sign up for a free account if you haven't already done so. The system will then take you to one of the AutoBuilder members. Here it is. Here's one of our bronze associates by the name of Truett. That's the username for that member, Truett Adams, and she is a bronze associate. And you're just going to make sure you copy that for later on. This is where you're going to create your 7-day free trial. Just fill this out and then hit the continue button. At the completion of setting up your 7-day free trial, even if you're on vacation, you're now qualified to start getting paid signups added to your business. This $10 business is exploding. We place paid members under you. It works so well because I pay for the traffic that will go to your new GDI affiliate link. The process is simple. No lead capture pages or opt-in forms. No Aweber or autoresponsers to deal with. No training to go through. Nada. Traffic included. I run the traffic. You get the sales. You never quit. And I make more money too. It's a win-win.